Hello and welcome back to the Best Deals and Bundles Reviews channel here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Plugable Technologies Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Thank you to Plugable Technologies for sending this to me for review. That being said, this video is sponsored by Plugable Technologies. Okay, to start with, this product comes with a nice long cable. The reason for this is the keyboard does have a USB mode or a Bluetooth mode, so that way it's useful even if you don't have Bluetooth on your device. Now, if we take a look at the case, you will see that it actually will fold into a stand for your device. So if I have my tablet, it just sits there, and then I have a nice convenient workstation. Now, set that aside, let's take a look at the keyboard itself. First, like I said, very solid, nice aluminum construction. It's a good size. The keys feel really good. Does feel really good to type on. I did test that. Now, they also, a nice thing with these is it has a 2-year limited parts and labor warranty on this, because they really stand behind their devices here. Overall, I really enjoy this product, and I would highly recommend picking one of these up, especially if you're going back to school or you travel a lot for work. This is a whole lot more convenient than carrying around a full-size keyboard, and carry that around with a tablet. That's a whole lot smaller than having to carry around a laptop. If you are interested in picking up one of these fantastic keyboards for yourself, a product link is in the description. As a disclaimer, that is an affiliate link, and if you purchase through it, I will earn a small commission. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and comment on the video. If you want to see more product reviews like this one, please subscribe to the channel.